We are at India's biggest hackathon happening right now at the Scalar campus in Bangalore. The people around me have flown across the country. They are the top 800 of the 70,000 that registered. This hackathon, hosted by Meta and Scalar School of Technology in partnership with Hugging Face, is something that India has never seen before. 36 hours, I don't know what cool things they are going to build. Super, super excited.
I'm from Coding Geeta and Dubai.
I'm from the Crest Sonipat. I am currently in B.Tech second year and from Haryana.
I have 20 plus years of experience. We are serving for most of the US based clients. I think we came over here to explore new things. And I'm also a student of Scalar as well.
This one is really a large scale, like Meta and all PyTorch and everything. So many big companies are coming. So yeah, we are really excited to be.
We actually knew each other at the hackathon.
That is so cool. Did you guys win that hackathon?
I won.
I'm Anirudh. I'm working on a drug discovery environment where it starts from DNA mutation matching, disease hypothesis.
This hackathon is really exciting. I'm participating as a solo participant from New Delhi.
We have involved ourselves into it and we have given a real life scenario which is called as custom support environment. We are working on enhancing our existing model itself based on the problem statements or based on the core principles of the things which they have provided.
Hey everyone, myself Madhu Gupta. Today I built like an environment teaches an LLM to deal with SRE DevOps stuff and cybersecurity.
So we basically built a negotiation environment and we trained a buyer model against a fixed seller model.
It's day 2 of the OpenEnv hackathon. Well, not for everybody because the builders have been building all night. Not all of them, you will see. But today is going to be intense. Right now they have 12 hours to submit their bills. So what exactly have these guys been putting their blood, sweat, tears into for the last 36 hours? This right here. And that's not it. The winners get a chance to interview with not just Meta, but also Hugging Face. And I think the biggest prize is the street cred that all of these guys are going to get once they say, hey, we were at this hackathon and we built it. That brings us to the last bit of our 36-hour hackathon happening here on the campus. It was madness. I'm sure the product that's going to come out is going to be crazy.